In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of setting up your Squarespace website from start to finish. Whether you're launching a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, these simple steps will guide you through the basics of creating a stunning website using Squarespace's intuitive tools. First, make yourself comfortable and have your digital device ready. We'll be jumping onto the web in just a moment. Begin by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you usually use for surfing the internet. Once open, head over to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. It's your next stop on this journey from idea to website reality. You'll notice a sleek, stylish homepage welcoming you to get started. Now that you're on the Squarespace site, you'll want to find your way to the dashboard. Look for a login or start button, which will take you into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's an easy process to sign up. Just follow the simple prompts to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to create a website. This is your gateway to building something great. Click on that Create Website button and let's keep moving. As you delve deeper, Squarespace will ask you about your site's focus or themes. Think about what you're making this website for. Is it for a business, blogging, or perhaps photography? Select the topics that resonate most with your vision for the site. This is important because tailoring your selections can help shape the initial structure and look of your website, making the following steps smoother. Having chosen your topics, you'll face another exciting decision: how you envision using your site. Are you setting up an online store or maybe a personal brand website? Choose what aligns best with your goals. It's about focusing on purpose and functionality right from the start. Next up, you'll get to flex those creative muscles. You'll have the option to either select a pre-designed template, or if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you can dive into building the site from scratch. Squarespace offers a variety of beautifully crafted templates catering to different site types, so if you're not sure, templates are a great place to start. Once you've chosen your template or set up your basic site framework, you'll officially be on the home stretch. Congratulations are in order because at this point, you've just laid the foundation for your online presence. From here, you can further customize your site, adding your own photos, text, and design elements to truly make it yours. And there you have it, the fundamental steps to setting up your Squarespace website. Now you can dive deeper into customizing and perfecting each page to fit your style and objectives. Keep experimenting and don't hesitate to explore the various tools Squarespace offers. Remember, the best part about a website is that it can evolve as you do. So feel free to revisit these steps whenever you want to refine or reimagine your site's design and functionality. Happy building, and thank you for watching.